Welcome to Comfort Suites Dayton-Wright Patterson, your ideal stay for comfort, convenience, and exceptional hospitality in the heart of Ohio. Whether you're visiting for business, military travel, or a family getaway, our spacious all-suite hotel is designed to make every moment relaxing and stress-free. Wake up each morning to a delicious free hot breakfast, stay connected with premium free Wi-Fi, and unwind with a rejuvenating swim in our indoor heated pool. Keep up with your fitness routine in our exercise room, and enjoy the ease of interior corridors and accessible hotel features for a seamless stay. We also offer vending machines and ample truck parking, making travel more convenient for every guest. Government travelers will appreciate our FEMA-approved status. Located just minutes from top Dayton attractions, you can explore the world-renowned National Museum of the U.S. Air Force, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Carillon Historical Park, and the vibrant downtown Dayton area filled with dining, shopping, and entertainment. Experience comfort, convenience, and genuine hospitality at Comfort Suites Dayton-Wright Patterson. Visit our website by clicking the link in the video description below